Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to solve these equations in a few seconds. Alright, so this is not very hard actually. So the trick is very easy. We are going to multiply both sides of the equation by 3 cube. Then we will get like this. Okay, so then we have to expand this expression. Then we will get 3x plus 2 plus with 3x plus 1 plus with 3x equal to 3 cube multiplied with 13. Okay, so then we can take 3 to the power x in common. Then we will get 3 square plus with 3 plus with 1 then equal to 3 cube multiplied with 13, and then 3x multiplied with, so the answer here is equal to 13, equal to 3 cube multiplied with 13. And then we can cancel 13 at both sides. Then we will get 3x equal to 3 cube, so the answer will be equal to 3. Okay, that's it. It's very easy, and I hope you understand, and thank you for watching, and goodbye. See you in the next video.